a wig from Love Me Hair. I am so excited to try out this wig. One, because I love the color, and also the way they made it. They've styled it already for me, so it's going to be on a side part instead of it being a middle part. But let me make sure I expose it. You can see that you do get a lace closure, and you get a lot of space in this lace closure. So if you don't like a left side part, you can put it in the middle, you can put it in the right, or style it up however you please. So this unit comes with an elastic band installed in it. It is adjustable, and then you also have adjustable straps at the back too, so you can make it really secure. My goal today, of course, is to install this wig with no glue or holding product. So let's see how this goes. I'm making everything a little bit tighter because right now I feel like it has a lot of space in this wig. Now let's get her popped on and see what we're working with. Oh, and if I didn't mention, it does have comb too. If you use those, I don't use them. So this wig hasn't been plucked. So if you need to, you'll have to go in yourself and pluck it out. So let's work on the lace first, and then I will work on adding some water and mousse to the hair.
Drink minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range.
Alright guys, I have finished installing this wig. We added some water and some mousse to the curls, and I went ahead and curled the ends with my fingers. It's pretty, like, I think it's probably like 75% dry right now because I didn't saturate it in water, and of course I did add the mousse on there, so it is just a little bit damp, but this is what it looks like with those products on it. I think it looks really pretty. You can see the highlight piece is really good. It's distributed throughout the entire wig. I left it with the left side part, and I did kind of move it over just a little bit to kind of make it curved, and I added just a little baby hair right here because I felt like you could see a little bit of where the track started with how I parted it and then the way I plucked it. So this little swoop right here is hiding that pretty well. The lace melted into the skin. I added a little bit of makeup to it, so you don't have to pluck it. You don't even have to move the parting space. You can wear the wig how it is coming out of the packaging. I just wanted to do a little bit of customizing to it, so this is the final look. And the wig is big head friendly. I have a lot of space back here. I like that you can adjust your parting space so you can make the wig look different. It doesn't always have to look the same each time that you wear it. So that is the final look. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you're interested, the link is going to be in my description bar below. Thank you to LUVMEHAIR for sending over today's unit, and thank you guys for watching. Bye y'all.